Hello everyone, this is Sabiroshan and welcome to ArcGIS tutorial for beginners class 5. So today we will learn about manual digitization. Manual digitization. First of all, we have to open a shapefile file. That's why go where you want to make this, open a new folder and rename it. I want to save it a desktop, so I create a folder name and rename it shapefile. Then open Arc Catalog. Then at first connect the folder. Now right click here, go a new shape to shapefile. Create a shapefile that you will need like point, line, polygon, multi-point, multi-pass, etc. I'm creating a polygon here and then rename it like polygon. As we know, the GCPs are in the BTM coordinate system, so go to edit and select BTM here and click on OK. So you can see a polygon shapefile has created here. Let me create a line shapefile too. Now come to ArcMap, add the georeferenced image, then select the image and then OK, and also add the shapefile that we created recent. As you see, the image is very low quality, and the side boundary, if you zoom it, cannot properly visible. This problem is slightly solvable. Go to properties on the image, JPG image, and go to display option, and here is the option desample during display using. Click on this and then select the bilinear interpretation for continuous data. Click on OK, then apply. Here we see that quite slightly as improved, the boundary lines are better visible. Now go to editor and start editing. Click on you can select any of wait. A new window will open named create feature. If not, go to editor again and click on editing windows, then click create features. Here is my new toolbox, so there is no problem. Select a feature from here that you want to draw. I am selecting polyline and now and line from construction tools. draw over the boundary line and double click to on the end and stop the line. Now a common error will arise, that is overlap, if this option is not selected. So at first in your computer this toolbar is not visible, then go to right click on the right click and select snapping toolbox, and then select use snapping and snap to sketch, because a common error will arise, that is overlap or gap between lines. You cannot always find the end point of the line. For this we need this, and draw one or two polygon. Okay, as you have made this polygon by line, so this is not any polygon yet. So go to geoprocessing and then click arc toolbox, then click data management tools, and then click features, and then double click on feature to polygon. Select the layer on which you have want to save this select the layer which we worked. I have worked on polygon here, then select it and give the directory where you want to save. I want to save this in my desktop folder, and rename it like line to polygon, and then save, then click OK. So you can see a new layer has been created, that is a polygon. You can do work more easily by using the polygon feature. Go to create features and then select polygon layer and draw polygons. Now we don't have to transform the line to features polygon. And now come auto crop polygon, which is there are some other important tool like auto complete polygon, by which you can start from inside the polygon at the like I want to create this is Okay. uh, then another tool is cut polygon. You can draw a large boundary by a line containing two or more polygons, like this is uh, if I draw a large polygon by containing two or sorry. Okay. You can draw more. You just cut these using tools. At first, select this, and then cut by the cut polygons tools. Then here you can see that the polygon are separated. And now come to the point reshape. You can reshape the polygon size by reshaping its points. Select any polygon and then click reshape option. Then you, if you want to reshape it, and now there is a clip option. It let you have a plot of water body and another one have a plot surrounding your plot. Uh, to measure his plot area, he will have to you select and the surrounded area only, not including your plot. In this type of case, clip tool is needed. At your map, there is some cases of same. For example, here plot 3 is inside plot 52. So we have to clip plot 3 and to calculate the area outside it. So go to editor. uh, at first create the polygon. So go to editor and there is a clip option, and select the option discard the area and intersect and click on OK. After select the area and select discard and then OK. And now we go to attribute table and select the outer boundary. Yeah, see if not continuing the inner boundary anymore. Now come to point add the value to attribute table. Now it's time to add the value of the number to its polygon. For this, go to editor and start editing. If we see that our start editing is on, so not more any complication, then and so and it will take to you to plot on image. Double click the option. Now you can see the plot number and write it on the attribute table. Here is it. uh, as you see here the hundred of plot, and if you want to add values by this process, it will take hours to complete. So there is a shortcut option named +1. To make this work more easier, a new tool can introduce name +1. You can install this for the free, and it here beside toolbox. As I have installed it, uh, uh, before I don't have to go through the procedure. So now go to start editing, select. Now go to start editing, select, and go to polygon option, select. Then select a polygon. Okay. Now select a and now click on +1 and select there is ID and the initiate value, the lower value of the input the initiate value. So I am to initiate 111, then click on go. Now click on add each polygon. If you see that by zooming, then we the plot number is going to 1 by 1. It will add 1 at every click. Go to attribute table, and the value is automatically adding. This is manual digitization on the map are done. So that's all today. See you next class. Bye.